I am an element of oxygen. I sit in the second row of the periodic table with almost my entire outer shell filled. I am relatively stable, but I need 2 additional valence electrons in order to be completely content.
Hi, we are 2 hydrogen elements. Sitting at the top of the periodic table is great.
But in order to be completely satisfied, we need 1 more electron. Where will we find that?
Elements like to obtain noble gas configuration, that is, valence electrons in their outer shell. Elements in gas and liquid phases are always moving, and the closer elements get, the more likely they are to react with one another.
Oh, no problem. With all of us moving around, it was bound to happen.
It seems as our 2 hydrogen elements and our oxygen elements have bonded together. Oxygen's electronegativity has attracted hydrogen's electrons and now form a water molecule.
Now I can't say I'm the only oxygen element. Having you 2 around makes me much more stable.
I could say the same.
Being a water molecule has so many advantages.
Really? I've heard water is essential to life, but no one ever explained why.
Do you know oxygen?
No one has ever told you why we're so important? Oh wow. Have I got some explaining to do?
H2O has 4 unique properties. 1. First, water has the ability to form hydrogen bonds. These bonds give water the ability to have a high surface tension as well as properties of cohesion and adhesion. Second, water has a high specific heat value which allows water to moderate the Earth's temperature. Third, water has a higher density in its liquid phase and is lighter in its solid phase.
That is important for aquatic life to survive winters when lakes and ponds freeze over.
Finally, the 4th property is that water acts as a universal solvent. Water is an important solvent on Earth as it dissolves many solvents on the planet.
Wow, I had no idea we could be so strong.
Water is very impressive.
So you're saying that under the first property, hydrogen bonding, my partial positive can attract another oxygen's partial negative and we can form hydrogen bonds?
Exactly. And when that happens, between many individual water molecules, a structure creates a solid known as ice. Actually floats on top of liquid water.
That's amazing. The hydrogen bonding causes high surface tension, which allows small bugs and insects to run along the top of the water without falling through.
See? You got it. Do you know how water regulates the Earth's temperature?
No, how?
Because water has a high specific heat value. Water remains liquid between 4 and 100 degrees Celsius. This allows water to absorb a great amount of heat without changing state, and that helps regulate the Earth's temperature.
Water is such an incredible molecule!
You got that right.
Now that we've seen how one water molecule is formed, and we've discussed how the partial positives react with the partial negatives, let's see how it really works. We can see the partial negative oxygen attracts the partial positive hydrogen. Each molecule is connected through covalent bonding, symbolized by the elements holding hands. The molecules are connected through hydrogen bonds.
This is quite spectacular that individual elements can bond together to form water molecules and have such a big impact in life.
Water is an essential part of life.
I'm glad we're here to help.
I think everyone is glad we're here.